Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to review FreshBooks. The first thing I'm going to talk to you about are pricing plans, and I'm going to review them, what I think about them. Then I will look on the walkthrough of the whole FreshBooks tool. Then I will go to pros and cons and also the alternatives. Like what are the alternatives to FreshBooks? So the first thing that I'm going to look on are pricing plans. Now, FreshBooks is an amazing tool. Like if you look on the reviews, you would see a lot of positive reviews, some negative, and some things needs improvement. FreshBooks team is perfect in a way that they are always improving the tool. Like if you would come here 2 years back, it will be a little bit different comparing right now as it is. So I'm going to talk to you about the pricing plans now. When you would come here, you have option to have yearly and monthly, but let's say I'm going to with the monthly. You have option to have light, plus, premium, and select with the custom things here. Now, when you see the light here, the really important thing is that you're gonna have only 5 billable clients. So in the moment you're gonna have more clients, you see that you have to pay more money. You can send unlimited invoices to up to 5 clients. And then in a plus version, you have option to send unlimited invoices up to 50 clients. And then for 45 euro a month, or let's say if you have dollars, that's like can be like 50 or 55, it's going to be send unlimited invoices to an unlimited amount of clients. Now what you have to actually do is when you would scroll down below, you see like the options here, right? Email template, signatures, customized is only in premium. Automated client emails with dynamic fields also in premium. Now when we go further, like client retainers, you have only here and here. Then light plus premium is similar here, but if you would be using like secure card storage, that's indifferent. Now bank reconciliation, this is important, you have only in plus version. And then account access also in plus version. And then a project profitability can be like also great, but you have it in premium. Now, when you go here, you see the advanced payments, saving and charging client credit card, subscription-based billing, virtual terminal, you see it here, and team members per person, €9 a month. Now, I always recommend, guys, try FreshBooks by yourself and let me down below in the comments what do you think about it, if you find it useful, if you find it good, or if you're not going to find it good. I would be really curious what are your thoughts on it. So when I go further and what I can actually find here and talk to you about the things that I don't like is that it lacking integrations. So possibly you will need to have a Zapier, you will need to use something for FreshBooks. Then also the pricing plan can be a little bit expensive for some people, and if you read the reviews, many people said that they were charged more money. But again, read about it by yourself. That's a thing that some people say that this is not a great the pricing what they have with the clients. Like for me, it's all right, but again, it's how you're gonna look at it. What do you actually need? Then you don't have quarterly tax estimates in FreshBooks, and many people even said that the help desk is not that great here. Other than that, like these are the negative things here. It needs to have also the improvement on mobile app, but when you look on the positive things on FreshBooks, the dashboard is like the clients and the way how it's simple. It's like in a way you're gonna jump in the tool, you're gonna learn how to master it. You don't need to have weeks on how to understand it. So you simply add a client here. Then you're gonna find invoices here, where you can have like invoices or recurring templates. I can simply go to top right and click new invoice and add the invoice pretty simply. Now when you have an added invoice, you can go also to payments. In payments, you can see add a new payment. Then you see the expenses here, and here you're gonna find the vendors and the bills. So I can again go to top right and click a new bill. I create a complete tutorial on how you can use the FreshBooks. So if you would go and write FreshBooks knowledge by Marcus, you would find it. So that's also really great. Then bills and vendors. Then you can find also the estimates. That's also really great. And the one tool that I really like on Freshbooks is time tracking. Time tracking that you can generate invoice and add entries. So you don't have to use Toggle. You don't have to use Clockify. You can easily use just Freshbooks. So that's another thing that I would recommend for you to do. And that's what I personally like. And also you're gonna find the projects here. Scope project, track time, and get paid accurately. So when you're gonna create a new project, like you can also share it with the client. So that's pretty good here. And that's like a cool feature Freshbooks has. So in a way, Freshbooks is really good, how simple it is to use. Now you're always gonna find the 30 days left in trial. So you're gonna have a link down below in the description. You can try it out by yourself. So you can see it if you like it, if you don't like it. I recommend this tool to like use. It got a change. Now, what are some like let's say competition? You're gonna have Wave, which is free, but it's a little bit limited. You got Zoho Books, Zoho Accounting, Zip Books. You got also Xero, but Xero is a little bit, I would say, like the UI is not that great. That's for sure. So that's pretty much it. So these are the alternatives. Now, if you enjoyed this video, guys, you can write down below in the comments and also share your own thoughts if you try this tool. And I'm really happy to hear your opinion. Again, to summarize this whole video, maybe the app needs a little bit of rework. You don't have the quarterly tax estimates. Also, some people said the support is not that great, but I don't have like verified it. Then the pricing can be a little bit also on the expensive side with the billable clients. And then you're gonna find the add-ons here as advance payments or team members, €9 per person. So if you're gonna add a team members here, like it's gonna cost you. So that's another thing as an add-on what you need. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day and see ya. This was a Freshbooks review, Freshbooks pros and cons, Freshbooks walkthrough, and Freshbooks alternatives. See ya.